In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation on how to fill out the template properly with a lot more detail. Okay, so you will have almost all the information here. You already know it, and I'm going to explain why. Okay, so here is an example of a fictitious Nicaraguan napkin supplier who happens to be selling to all three concepts in 3 different countries. Okay, so if we start with the first column, as you can see, it says invoice number. However you invoice, whatever sequence you use, please add your own invoice number. Add the date of that invoice following this date format. For column C, I told you to just put 1 all the way down for each row. Please do not go past your last row. There should not be any information past your last line item. Column D is the product number or your SKU. Again, that's individual to each supplier. And then your product description. So this is for napkins to KFC and the pack size, etc. However your description is, please just add that there. Moving on to pricing. Okay, columns H and I. Here it could be just a little tricky, and let me explain why. Column I, here it says total FOB. What we're asking for here is the supplier's original Ex Works cost, or the cost at your production facility. Okay, this is the supplier's original cost. Okay, and column H, what we want here in total sales price, we are asking for the supplier's Ex Works cost plus the RSCS fee. So this should be your Ex Works cost plus the fee. And moving on to the next set of columns, N, I said please just put 0 again all the way down until you get to your last line item. You can't go below because it won't work then. Column O is the RSCS Caribla fee. So this is the fee that you're charging on our behalf, and you will put it here by case, whatever it was agreed. And again, these two numbers, if you subtract the new Ex Works cost with fee minus the supplier's original Ex Works cost, you end up with the actual fee. Okay, moving on to columns S, here is the quantity of cases you sold us. Column T, as I mentioned, CT for case. Column U, again, you're going to put the concept. So each line can only have one concept. So these are all the napkins that are sold to KFC. These are all the napkins that are sold to Pizza Hut. And these are all the napkins that are sold to Taco Bell. And you're selling to ship to country. Where are you shipping this to? So you're shipping this to Costa Rica. So Costa Rica KFC. And you're selling to Panama Pizza Hut. And you're selling to Nicaragua Taco Bell. Now, ship from location. In this example, I mentioned the suppliers from Nicaragua, and they're shipping from Nicaragua. So the ship from location is from Managua, so it's going to be the country Nicaragua. Purchase bill to number. This is your customer's number. So for example, you're selling to the Grupo KFC Costa Rica, so their customer number for you is this number here. Then you're selling to Franquicias Panameñas. This is their customer number for you, and Best Foods Group in Nicaragua. And this is their client number. Again, this is however you have it within your company. And finally, purchaser bill to country. So in this example, the